Hey guys, this is Mark. Let me go over some products first. On the right here, we have DPC TS2 glass coating. It says lasts up to 2 years. And on the next, we have glaco chemical liquid super wiper. It lasts about a year or so. And another one is also glaco in a spray bottle. Last time I tried this guy, it lasted me about 3 months. And last but not least, we have Turtle Wax Ice Seal and Shine. It's not the delicate product, but let's try it out anyway. It's gonna, rain a lot in my area, so winter and fall, and so maybe some snow. And we'll see how this product holds up. And let's go. Let's see some water behavior before any application. This windshield here have the TS2 on it. I probably did not put enough product on it, so the water behavior is kind of weird to me. It doesn't seem right. The water is more sheeting, and it's not the same that I had before with any other water repellent application product I used. So this is how it works. This is how it looks like. I'm going to remove everything on this windshield and to give it new applications. This is the product I'm going to use today to clean the windshield. I have it from Taiwan. I believe it cleans everything off the windshield. I think it contains the SeO2, I think, to get the job done. Here's some quick demonstration. I clean the right side of the windshield, and when I do a microfiber wipe down, you can see that there's nothing on the windshield. I mean, on the left here, you can see a little bit of the wiping, but on the right, there's nothing. So I really like it. I really like the product. I think this is how it should be done. Now, this is the water behavior after I clean the windshield. Here is the first application of the DPC TS2. It requires 2 steps. This is the first step. I'm using quite a lot of products this time to make sure it follows the manufacturer's instruction. This is the second application of the DPC TS2. On the first one, after you're done with that, you need to wait 5 minutes, buff it off, wait another 20 minutes before the second one. So this is the second one. As you can see, I'm putting quite a lot of product again as well. Just want to make sure it covers everything and perform as it should. So let's see how it goes. Yay! It's all done! From the right to left, we have DPC TS2 and glaco super wiper, and Also glaco super wiper in a spray bottle. And on the very left, we have the Turtle Wax Seal and Shine. The cure time for DPC, it says 4 hours. For the right next to DPC, the glaco super wiper, it says 12 hours. So I checked the forecast. It's not gonna rain for the next few days, so there's no problem there. I try to do everything as instructed, and whenever it comes raining or heavy rains, I will try to do a couple of the videos to see how all these 4 perform against rain and how it looks like while driving in different speed. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and you have a great day.